Today I will talk about how can you enable full chip screen on your uh, periodic chip lab. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to full screen table. Just click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here full screen table enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.